Thanks for a sick day.
Get off me. Actually making contact with the tree is so scary. Hey, we call Benson out when you guys pin you guys, don't you worry. Slow down! Did I tell you guys to subscribe? Oh! First trick of the day, what? I don't know why I keep wearing a jacket. It's been like really hot. I should probably be rocking like hoodies, long sleeves, t-shirts, but here we are. Snowboard jacket. And if you want my jackets or any of my gear, it's all linked in the description. Man, we've been going hard at A Basin, and it's because of this whole reservation thing. And it's a big reason why we bought the A Basin pass. So if we had hiccups or issues with the reservation thing, we can still come out and snowboard. And so we had a hiccup, whatever, we didn't get the same days. And so at least we can come to A Basin and rip. And then ideally, once Copper Mountain opens up, you only got to get reservation for parking. So as long as one person gets reservations for Copper, we're going to be able to rip Copper whenever we want. And whatever, it's not a big deal. We're gonna have a ton of fun. A Basin's still the only place with a terrain park, so we'll get some park riding. I'm not really sending it early season in the park because there's no reason to go insane on hard snow when he's doing it for me. And yeah, today's gonna be sick. I have no idea what's in store for us, but let's get it. Actually making contact with the tree is so scary. That run is so fun. Guys, literally, I'm having so much fun today.
I'm glad that run is fun because it would be so boring for how short it is.
I don't think snowboarding can be boring. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know, dude.
No side hits, no rollers.
I think it's still
just a hill.
I disagree. I think it's still fun, guys.
School marm. School marm. What up? You want to ride up? Of the day, what? Alright guys, so as of today, now you guys watching this video will be different, but we hit 40,000 subscribers, which is insane. And I can't, one, say thank you enough to all the subscribers, all the people from season 1 to season 2, season 3, this is our 5th season doing it, and we just hit 40 subscribers, which is an insane number of people. If you put 40,000 people on a single ski resort, you wouldn't be able to ride. And I'm just so thankful and stoked that we've been able to grow and that I'm able to do this for a living. And it's because of your guys' support, which is like insane. Like, I can't believe you guys enjoy watching me rip. And the coolest thing, I think, is that it's not just snowboarders that watch this channel. We have so many skier homies out there. Hashtag ski gang. Comment down below, all the skiers. Let us know you're here. And it's just so sick. I think the community that's building on the internet with what we're doing is incredible. And I'm just happy that I get to help you guys decide what passes to get, where to go ride, what the conditions are like, new tricks with your snowboard, and just overall bring stoke to the industry and to just snowboarding and skiing. So guys, thank you so much for 40,000 subscribers. I'm like out here riding today and I feel like it's a different energy, a different vibe. And I think it's because like I'm just so thankful and also proud and excited for what we've accomplished, where we're going, and everything like that. And of course I can't do things like this without my voice. Backflipping Benton. Give him a follow on Instagram, and his YouTube is in the description. Single clip every single day. And yeah, guys, we're truly just getting started, and it's insane.
And with 40,000 subscribers, let's do a like challenge. Say 5%. Let's get 2,000 likes on today's video.
The way Benton rolled out of that slam makes me think of today's sticker shout out. We got I Coach Nutrition with the camo Evolution sticker on the helmet. Looking so sick, dude. Thank you so much for snagging some Evolution merch. Guys, if you want an Evolution sticker, like the camouflage one, which is super fire, they're all linked in the description, as well as any of the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, all of the merch, guys, is linked down below. And if you snag any of it, tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But don't forget to follow the Instagram. That's where like the bonus content is posted. The like stories are not only super funny, I feel like I'm pretty good at my stories, but I tell you like where we're riding each day. You can come meet up with us on the mountain, things like that. So follow the Instagram, guys. Ton of extra content there. And with that, I'm like pretty hyped on today. It's going really well. What's even more exciting is the homie took his shirt off. What we got?
Hey, this one's for you, Jonathan.
All right, let's see it. Shirtless. Let's go.
Madman.
Benton's gonna do a new trick.
Like that I've never done before. It's not like a new.
Underflip Japan.
So Japan's like right in there. Like you just get it pulled over and
yep, like that. Yes, yep. Like that.
The hip thrust is the key.
Okay.
Hip thrust.
Let's send it.
Oh! Not bad. He grabbed the wrong spot, but like his body was almost in the right spot. That was close.
That was so close.
You grabbed Tindy.
Well,
but
Mindy.
You're there,
Mindy.
dude.
Yeah, you're there. I think you can get that.
Little new grab, but
and we call Benton out when he grabs Tindy, guys. Don't you worry. All right, Chipmunk.
Thanks for a sick day.
Get off me. You guys didn't see it, but that last grab, Benton punched me in the head when I landed. Why'd you do that?
It was all for the shot.
It was a straight sucker punch.
It was all for the shot.
He got me right here.
Good thing we were wearing helmets.
Right? Seriously.
Did you see it?
I did not.
Benson punched me in the face.
You landed?
I hope you can see it. It's so
That'll be awesome.
it's so funny. Honestly, guys, today was so sick. I've said it like 7 times, but I think this is by far my favorite day of the season so far.
It was such an
Like the riding felt good, my body felt good.
We fell a lot, but it was comfortable.
You felt a lot. I didn't think I hit the ground today.
I fall all the time.
Even when you ran into me and punched me in the face, I still rode away. Dude, someone's trying to catch me slipping. It ain't gonna happen. So, I don't even know what I'm gonna say now. Did I tell you guys to subscribe? Oh! Dude, this outro is going horrible. Guys, we have a Discord. You should follow the Discord. Link is in the description. Dude, the camera's not even staying up.
Forgot how to film the outro.
Alright, camera's good to go. Discord's in the description. Like the video, it helps grow the channel. All my snowboard gears. I don't even know what to say. Guys, today was incredible. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did snowboarding it. I hope you guys are getting out on the mountain as well. Comment down below, have you gone riding yet? So many resorts are opening up, which is incredible because the more resorts that open up and you guys get to snowboard, everyone's snowboarding, which is sick. And then opens up our traveling, which we'll be making some trips soon. I'm really excited to start traveling around, going to new ski resorts. That's like one of my favorite things to do. It brings a lot of energy. And I think a good terrain park spot's open up here. Colorado. Copper coming up. Oof, I'm excited.
Okay.
Because I know I did.
Did you? God, I have such a bad memory.
You're ruining this outro, Benton. If you guys need an Evolution hat too, we do offer the non-Evolution version, just the snowboarder on top, and we have beanies, hoodies, and this is going horrible. This outro is going horrible. Guys, I had a sick day. I hope you had a sick day. Smash like. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Thanks for sharing with us today, Team Buckhouse. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow. Ah!
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger.